Hi guys, I'm doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, so when you see this video the baby will be here. So I'm doing this Midwives Brew. I've seen a lot of success in it. Apparently about 85% of women has been successful doing this. So you use to do that, you use lemon verbena tea, you know, so it's not the same as the videos in America because obviously I'm in the UK and this is what I could get. So I had to order it on Amazon and I got this castor oil. Yeah, when I read the reviews they said you can ingest it as well, but I think people just use any castor oil, to be honest. And I know that it's a bit controversial, but I've done my research and I'm comfortable. And then apricot juice. I also had to get everything on Amazon. It looks good actually. Hopefully it tastes good. Then the almond butter. Yeah. So you will see how I'll mix it. So I'm just gonna put, this is loose verbena tea. It's not in a tea bag. So yeah, I'm gonna put about 4 of them. It smells good. I like the smell. I'm gonna put about 4 leaves, maybe 1, 2. Let me reduce the fire. 3, I think about 4. So I put about 4. Hopefully that should do it. I don't know if I should put more, but I read somewhere like for 4 cups you put about 4. So this, I don't know how many cups it will be. Let me reduce, and then you have to boil it for like 10 minutes or more. So I'll just 10 minutes max. So yeah, catch you in a bit, just boiling it. So yeah guys, it's finished boiling now. So I'm going to pour the apricot juice. I've already measured it out in here. Yeah, 300 ml. It's a little bit above. That's what the recipe said. So that's 300 ml. And then, yeah, just making sure. Then I'm going to pour 250 ml, which will be here, of the lemon verbena tea. So I'm going to strain it. It's very hot, so hopefully it doesn't rip apart. So that's 250 ml. Then I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of castor oil. I think this is the main ingredient. So everything else in here is just to mask the effect of the castor oil. Tablespoons of, yeah, yummy. No. Oopsie, wow. Almond butter. I've drank almond milk and it doesn't taste so great, but it's good. So 1. I think I need extra as well. Just to scoop it up. like butter. Because it's butter. Yeah. And now I just leave this in here. I'll remove it. Then now, what's gonna happen is the blending. So I'm gonna blend it in. Everything should be blended in well. Okay? It's okay. I hope it's blended in. Ooh, gosh. Then now I'm going to pour it in here. This is where I'll use to drink it in. So I have to finish everything within the next 20 minutes. So when I finish, then I'll drink the rest because you have to drink all of it. So here we go. So before I start, please let this sit. So I have to drink this within 20 minutes, so it's 19 past now. So here we go. Tastes funny. You can just taste the... Yeah, it's not that bad, guys. It was a bit warm, so I've drank all of it now. So it's 22 past, so let's see what happens. So yeah, I'm also gonna do some walking and all sorts of stuff. Yeah, but yeah, I've done it. So yeah, guys, so after I did this, I started experiencing, I think 2 hours after that, I started experiencing like mild, very very mild contractions, like a period pain. And yeah, that lasted I think throughout the night. So we packed my hospital bag and everything, and this was we did this when I was 37 weeks 6 days. Yeah. The reason why I did this is because they were planning to induce me anyway, because of something else, another health reason. So I just could be induced, but yeah, that's why. But yeah, I started experiencing one of those, yeah, and then obviously I think the next morning, but then it faded off. Then I think I took it again like around 38 weeks. So in total I took it out 3 times. And obviously when I went to get an exam, what do they call it, when I went to get an exam, I forgot the name, but you know what I mean if you're pregnant. So basically my cervix was still high up, still pretty close, but not close because I've had babies before, but it was not hard, it was medium, so it wasn't soft. So I think I'll actually recommend it. I think it does work, but it depends if your body is ready or not to go into labor. I think if my body was ready, then I would have definitely gone into labor because I've seen so many stories, but I think it helped to get things going or whatever. Yeah, so I would still recommend it even though it didn't put me into labor. And it's not as bad, you know. Some people say, oh, it's really bad, you feel like throwing up. Well, I didn't, and I didn't go to the toilet running or anything, so it's not that bad. Yeah, so I would, no, this my last baby. I was about to say I would do it again, but this is our last baby. So yeah, that's what happened with the Midwives Brew. Yeah, so thank you guys, thank you for watching. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'm gonna come out with more videos about pregnancy, about labor. Yeah, a lot of videos, so just stay tuned.